welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed that little intro. So as you can tell by the title and the intro, I'm going to be recreating Millie Bobby Brown's Instagram. So I already did it. It actually went super well and I love all the pictures. Really quickly before I cue the footage, I'm gonna be showing you guys the comparisons at the end of the video so you guys can see each image compared. So make sure you stay tuned to see those. Alright, so Millie Bobby Brown is only 13 years old, so she really doesn't wear a lot of makeup, so I just decided to do a little bit of like foundation, no eye makeup, just a little bit of brows, and that's what I'm gonna do for makeup. For the first picture, this is the picture I'm going to be recreating. She's just outside reading a book, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna wear, put it on, and then we'll go attempt and take the picture. Alright, so she's wearing Converse, but I don't have my Converse home, and hers are really funky, so I decided why not wear these. I made these forever ago. She's reading a yellow book, so I have this yellow book. These weird glasses that she's also wearing, they're very, I don't even know, I've had them forever. And then just black jeans and like a blackish shirt thing. So let's put that on. Her hair is also super slicked back, literally looks like she's bald. So I'm just gonna try and do that and put it in a low bun, because I think that's what she does. I kind of hope that it makes me look bald, because like that's the look she was going for, I think. This looks atrocious, but this is her look. Okay, so we're gonna film it right here. This is a couch. She was sitting on a chair, but you know, they're similar, so let's try and get this shot. Do this, baby. Okay. Alright,
Done. On to the next one.
Alright, so we just took the pic. Here it is. I think it turned out pretty good. Let's do number 2. Oh, also, by the way, I'm gonna show the comparisons at the end of the video. Alright, for the next picture, this is the picture I'm going to be trying to recreate. She's basically just wearing black sweatpants and a black long sleeve shirt thing. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And then I'm gonna write on a piece of paper, MBB, Millie Bobby Brown 11, because this is her picture when she hit 11 million followers. Alright, I'm done. I think I really did a great job. Really artistic.
I think if your head tilts a little up a little more.
Like
I'm just kidding.
It looks really good.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Alright, the success!
Woo!
Alright, this is the picture right here. I think it turned out pretty good. And let's do the third picture. And again, I'll show you guys the comparisons at the end. Alright, so this is the third image. I think this one should be fun. We'll see. She looks really sassy in it. So I'll show you guys what I decided to wear. So I am just wearing this black turtleneck, because that's what she's wearing. Some black sunnies, sunglasses. And this skirt. I don't have one just like her, but I figured this would do. This is the look. I think it's very similar. Let's go take the pic.
Should we bring the light in here or no?
I can edit in post.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, lighting's hard to combat sometimes, but like,
do you want to get it? I don't.
I can go grab it.
Really?
Yeah, why not? Why?
We're just gonna get the light really quick. Sarah's gonna get that for me. I don't get my own lights for myself. Am I doing it right?
Yeah, maybe if you, yeah, her back arm is like locked. Yeah, done.
We got picture number 4. 3, 4. 3.
3.
3. Here it is right here. I think it turned out really good. Alright, so here is look number 4, or picture number 4. Number 4, the fourth image. I don't have a white shirt, so no, that's a lie. I have a white shirt. I don't have a ripped white shirt, so I'm just gonna like, you know, put some slits in a white shirt that I have. So we're gonna do a little DIY. Perfect. Nice little cut. Here's my really nice ripped shirt. I have some really cool rips here. She also has her hair down in this one. So we're gonna take this luscious locks down. So I bobby pinned it to the side, because that's how she has it, some like little flowies there, and then all to the side. All right, so it's raining outside and we have to run outside to go take this picture in front of the brick wall. So we're gonna go take it And then, but I don't want to bring my camera out, so I'll show you guys after. It's so rainy and cold out. But we got the picture. I parted my hair on the wrong side, but like it's okay. The picture is right here. Really good actually. Like what can I say? It's the ripped shirt. Hey Dad! I think that picture went really well actually. I'm a little bit upset that my hair is on the wrong side, but whatever. This image right here, I think this one's so cool. She looks awesome in it. So let's hope I look like just as cool. This is the fit. These are my new jeans that I got at the thrift store. They are Wranglers. Got them for $1. And then I'm just gonna wear like a blazer over my head like she does. Okay, so as we all know, Millie Bobby Brown has short hair from the movie Stranger Things. And I don't have that, as you can tell. So I kind of did like a little, so see, here's the picture. She has like hair coming down, so I just did like a little swoop. But I look really weird, but it kind of works. So like that's what I'm gonna wear. We're ready for this picture. I can't really move. I look so weird.
Right? Yeah, no, I think it looks good.
Alright, we got the picture! It's gonna be right here. I like it. I did my hair wrong again, but I think we're gonna mirror it, so it's gonna be good this time. Alright, so this is the last picture. I love this picture. This is the outfit. I already put it on. It's gonna be like this close, so you can't even tell that I'm wearing this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. She has short curly hair and I have pin straight medium length hair. I could do something like super ugly and hideous like this. But like I don't really want to, so I might just do normal hair.
Yeah, your eyebrows are down.
Alright, we got the picture. We got the picture, everybody. Here's the picture right here. How does it look? Okay, that was the last one. So let's go look at all of the comparisons. Alright, so for the first picture I recreated Millie Bobby Brown's picture of her sitting on a chair reading a book. And so this is hers, and here's mine! I think they turned out really well. I had kind of had to improvise with the chair just because I had a couch, she had a chair, so it wasn't exactly the same. But I think it turned out really well, and it was a good first pick. So let's move on to the second one. Alright, so when Millie hit 11 million followers, she posted this picture of MBB11 standing for Millie Bobby Brown, 11 million followers with roses. I didn't have roses, so I used Sharpie, but here's my picture. I think it turned out really well. I am on hardwood floor and she's on carpet, but I didn't have any carpet to do it on. So these are them. I think it turned out well, and yeah. It definitely would have been better if I had, you know, roses, but I didn't, so the paper worked out well. This next image was super hard to shoot because I didn't have the exact kind of like right location. So this is the picture of Millie, and here's the picture of me. It was really funny because I was squatting so low. It was literally a leg workout to take this picture. But I think it actually looks really good. Even though my skirt isn't exactly the same, I think it really resembles it. So yeah, this was like really cool. Alright, and for the fourth picture, this was kind of tragic because it's raining outside and I had to go outside for this picture. So here's Millie's picture. She's standing in front of a brick wall, and my chimney is brick, but that's outside. So here's mine. We did it super quick, so I didn't get any footage of me actually taking the picture, but I actually really like this. The only problem is I accidentally parted my hair on the wrong side, so it's a little bit different. But overall, I really like this picture, and I think I did a really good recreation. Also, after you watch all of my comparisons, comment down below which picture I did is your favorite. This coming one is actually my favorite because it turned out really cool. Like, I want to post it, but it doesn't really go with my theme, so I probably won't. But this is Millie's picture. It's super cool. Like, it was from some cool photo shoot, black and white. Here's mine. I think it actually looks very similar. If you look at the image not black and white, I look a little crazy, but with the edit and everything on it, I really like the way this picture turned out. Alright, and lastly, I had to do an 11 picture because that's just her character and it's a classic and everyone knows it. So I used ketchup as my blood. So this is Millie's picture and here's mine. I like this a lot. It really smelled horrible while I was filming because I was smelling ketchup the whole time. But I really love it. 11's the best character ever. So this picture was a lot of fun to shoot. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know this video is kind of overdone, but I don't think anyone's ever done Millie Bobby, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like this video and subscribe down below. Also click that bell down below to get notified whenever I upload a video. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.